Ciao! We're going to talk about one of Sicily's favorite foods. That is the granita. Nope, not Italian ice, not slush, the granita. It was brought here in the 9th century by the Arabs. We're going to go to Acireale to the International Granita competition. There are people there from all over, including South Korea and Japan. Wait to hear about all these funky flavors. This is how they make it in the ancient times.
Questo si chiama Tino.
Sì.
Tinozzo.
Look at these guys all dressed up. Ok, siamo.
Faccio vedere. Ok, intanto spieghiamo come stiamo facendo. Questa è una miscela di ghiaccio e sale.
Ok, that's
Qua è sale.
salt and ice.
Il sale ruba calore al ghiaccio. Meno 21.
Okay, so that helps the temperature go down. Yeah.
Guai.
Ice
Sì.
brings the water.
Inside.
Mettila, madame.
Ghiaccio,
Sì,
freddo.
È freddo.
Mettiamo dentro fiori di zagara, granita di fiori di zagara.
Okay, this is a flour
Flower di limone, zagara.
limone.
Ogni flower un limone, un lemon.
One lemon
Morto,
flour.
un lemon, questo.
Yeah, nice.
Fiori di zagara, questo.
Oh my god.
Questo è il suo fiore.
Smell.
Ok?
The flower.
Abbiamo preso i fiori, abbiamo fatto in busa e facciamo granita di fiore, no lemon,
No
no
lemon.
lemon,
The
fiore.
flour of the lemon. Yes.
Questa l'ha dedicata a voi. Vedi,
This is dedicated to you guys. Yes. Wow.
Questa si chiama miscela eutettica. Quando
We're having way too much fun.
qui c'è pochissimo zucchero, perché lo zucchero?
Very little.
La dolcezza lo prende dal nettare, dai pistilli.
You have very little sugar because the sugar is in the
Ok.
piece.
Anche il colore, the color, paglierino, giallo paglierino, sempre
Because of
pistilo.
this
Ok.
right there, it has a little sweet.
giallino.
Look at this. Look.
giocare,
Sorry.
giocare.
Wow. Have you ever had anything like this?
Never.
Flower of the lemon.
It's got yum. What can I say?
The granita was brought here in the 9th century by the Arabs. They went up on Mount Etna, shaved down snow, put it into baskets, kept it cold in caves, and when they came down, they added the local flavors, and lemon was #1. But since then, they've added some others: pistachio, almond, chocolate, coffee. In the summer, all types of fruit. It's something you must try when coming to Sicily. So what happened is on Etna, there was snow, and they brought it down and kept it cold in caves. And so this is it. They brought it down, and then they added the local flavors, and of course, lemon is one of the most important.
Si sviluppone caviale.
This is finger lime,
Guarda, vedi che si prende.
and so you can use it for pastries and also for the granita. Buono.
Questo fish.
Yo, come pesce?
Su pesce, io l'ho mangiato, buonissimo.
Che tipo di granita?
Questo qua è sorbetto trunzo di aci, questo presidio slow food. È un prodotto solo accese. Prego. È particolare, particolare.
In inglese si chiama colorave.
Colorate.
You can have 4 tastings for €5. Here are all the flavors. There are all types of sorbetto and also granita. This is peach and raspberry. Oh, let me look at this. That looks beautiful. A little bit of raspberry. In terms of presentation, that's definitely
Winner.
so far the most beautiful.
I love, and I love the almonds on
peach,
top.
a raspberry sauce, and
Raspberry.
almonds. What do you think, John?
Very good. Very good. Almonds are supposed to have them.
Look at the girls.
Dig in. Almost like you got a cookie inside.
I like that reaction, let me
Got a little
tell
cookie
you.
inside of it.
Era vicino alla villa.
Interesting, I was just walking by a group of people who were talking about the different flavors. And one of them said, for sure, the fig one is the best. So let's see. Lemon, basil, and anise. E qual è questa?
Anice, basilico e limone.
Ooh, that's interesting. This one has pepperoncino, huh?
Yes.
E come chiama? Questa è pepperoncino.
Peperoncino, acqua di mare e
Salt, sea salt,
And lemon juice.
and lemon juice. Ooh, that's very interesting.
So good. Refreshing. Sweet with a lemon choke you.
And what about, can you taste the red pepper flakes?
Yeah, that's what got me.
What do you think?
Oh, it is lemony, but it's very good.
And what about the red pepper flakes?
Yeah, they get you right at the end, but it's not bad.
It's a bite.
It's not bad at all.
It's like a small bite.
This is what you need for 35 degrees Celsius Houston.
This is your favorite. Huh? The one from
Refreshing.
Sorbetto,
Sorbetto de che sa?
cioccolato,
Cioccolato.
fondente.
Fondente.
Yeah.
Mandorle.
And here we are in Francesco Buccafurni. Dove? Dove?
Lamezia Terme, Calabria.
Calabria. Oh, here's a Calabria one.
You want
Cacao and orange from Calabria. Oh, look at that reaction.
It's very chocolatey. Very good.
I think so far this is the only one everyone agreed, plus the almond one. Lemon, iceberg, and mint.
Wow, that's I might have changed my mind. I think I want St. Peter to give me this first when I come to heaven.
Wow! Cacao, e poi
Cacao, finocchietto selvatico
wild fennel
e scorza di bergamotto candita.
and bergamot peel.
My goodness, St. Peter has two hands.
Wow!
L'iteria si chiama Granitiamo.
E Reggio Calabria.
Sì, provincia di Reggio Calabria.
Well, c'è due da Calabria.
Sì.
Granita is a breakfast food here in Sicily. You eat it in the morning with a fresh, warm brioche. There's nothing like it. The cold, the warmth of the brioche just melts in your mouth. It's a great experience. Basilica of San Sebastiano, the patron saint of Acireale. Construction of this magnificent work of art started in 1608. Look at the detail. Baby, you've had granita. What's your favorite granita overall in Sicily?
Overall, it's still fragola.
Fragola.
Yeah.
And koi, your favorite?
She stole my thunder on Pragla, but second best, pesca.
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 Huge. Now these guys, by the way, are in Cefalù. But of course, here in Catania, we have better granita. Get
Arancia rossa, pesca, there's limoni.
and mele.
Yeah, no, I want
No, sorbetto, let's do it. And that's the granita.
That's the
granita con
It's granita with almond, bergamotto, water, cane, sugar.
sugar cane
Yeah,
and
leaf of
mint.
mint. Yeah, mint. Yeah.
And the sorbetto,
The sorbetto is made with orange, arancia rossa, red orange,
blood orange,
peach, ribes, lemon. Yeah.
is, where's he from? Sion Yu.
She's from South Korea.
She's from South Korea.
Yeah, sure.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
What's
So
Canela?
you got the honey and cinnamon.
Yes.
All right?
But simple ingredients.
Huh?
Everything's balanced so well. Needs no sugar
Wow.
whatsoever. This simple, delicious.
You're gonna let everyone else try too, right?
Right?
Yeah.
All right, what'd you get?
Got the fig with honey and almond and not very sweet.
And you can taste the figs.
You can taste the figs, you can taste the almonds.
Very good. And
That's the peach.
how's that one?
This is amazing. It has arancia rossa and
Ribs.
pesca
and mint, right?
Miele with honey. Miele?
Miele.
Oh.
Buono.
Buono.
Era vicino alla isla.
Oh, this is
Peach,
fantastic.
fruit passion, and toasted almond is the granita, and the sorbetto is blood orange, strawberry, and mint. That sounds good. Giuseppe Puglisi. Okay. The toasted almond too. Beautiful.
Yes.
Let's go research and development.
Well, you got your own spoon.
It's very strong. The peach is very strong. I like the almonds
Like your
on
man.
top of the man. It's a very strong peach taste.
What do you think, John?
Not real sweet.
Could be sweeter.
Could be
Needs to be
sweet.
sweeter.
You have granita in your restaurant in
Yes.
Texas, right?
Yes.
And what flavors do you do?
We only do espresso granita, coffee granita.
Coffee granita. All right, you too. What do you think? Oh, we got the
Così,
so-so.
così. Così, così.
All right. Tough crowd here, people. Tough crowd. Well, I got a bunch of restaurateurs, so you know. Let's go inside. This is interesting. Mandarin, lemon juice, basil, and pistachio. And then the sorbetto is a mango, mint, and lemon juice. Pretty colors. Oh, okay. So there's no more pistachios, so they put almonds. What do you think?
Very mango, a very tangerine.
It's supposed to have pistachio. It
But
has
almonds instead.
Yes.
That's good.
Yes.
Okay,
Pineapple.
ladies and gentlemen, which one is the best?
Lemon one. Lemon one over. We had
same booth, chocolate.
Ah, sì. The one with cacao. Yeah.
The cacao?
See,
And Jenny? Limone.
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
Ora sono in Corea.
In Korea.
Sì,
E
sono
lavora in
coreana.
dolce.
No, faccio solo gelato.
Solo gelato. Wow. And just listen to her Italian. Ma perché parla buono così?
Mi piace l'Italia, gelato, quindi parlo italiano.
She likes to speak Italian. Imagine that. And here are all the other chefs, or what do we call them? Granita makers. Grazie mille.
Grazie.
Here comes the band. Hamburger, cipolla, mollica tostata, so that's breadcrumbs.
E patate al
But-
tartufo.
French fries, potato chips.
Hamburger.
Is tuna.
Ah, it's tuna hamburger. Cool. There's one with tomato. Wow, look at this.
Ciliegino from Sicily. Ciliegino from Sicily, Pachino.
Wow. This is a tomato one.
Yes. This figgy.
Woo. Look at this. There's the tomatoes that they're, look at that. That's how gelato's made. Cannella.
Cannella e mandorla.
Look at this. Almond and cinnamon. And look at that. Taste a little.
Mandorla.
He's the president of Compite.
Sì,
Chi è?
Italia. Compite è la Confederazione Pasticceri Italiani. Allora il tema sono i prodotti tipici, i prodotti del territorio e i prodotti
Typical
identitari.
products.
Sì, però non è solo siciliano,
No.
ma può essere anche di altre nazioni, tra cui
Japan.
c'è Giappone e Corea.
South Korea, sì, e c'è molto calabrese, Reggio
Sì,
Calabria.
ci sono molti calabresi, c'è del bergamotto di Reggio Calabria, all'interno di alcuni gusti. Questa festa, vabbè, la festa è sempre l'obiettivo per far conoscere ai turisti naturalmente le eccellenze del territorio.
The purpose of the objective of this festival is to let tourists especially know the excellence of this territory. È un segreto. Qual è il tuo preferito?
Il mio preferito, allora il mio preferito, se dobbiamo dire, sono 2-3: mandorla, pistacchio e limone.
So I just asked him how they picked e come how they picked the booths.
Allora, le persone che vogliono venire possono essere anche più di 30, però dobbiamo fare poi una scrematura e quindi farli arrivare a 18 quello che abbiamo deciso.
Only 18 booths. E come
Poi una commissione decide chi è che passerà.
So commission decide. Grazie mille.
Grazie a te, grazie.
Lemon and mulberry and a brioche. You can find granita all over the island in all types of flavors, but this is very typical of Noto because the blood orange has come from here. Here's blood orange granita and of course almond, because we have 16 varietals of almonds here in Siracusa, especially Avola. Some are creamier than others, some are more granule. Here in Noto you'll find it a little bit more granule than in Catania, but it's creamier. Trish here is trying something very interesting. She's mixing the blood orange with the almond. And so, how does it taste?
Magnifico.
It cuts a little bit of the acidity of the orange. Now, you know, if you would have asked for those two flavors in one cup, the waiter would have said, no, 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 no. But it works. See, you guys can make up your own little recipes. Kiwi and orange. Now that's an interesting flavor, orange and almond. You don't get those two flavors together. I'm surprised they didn't go, no, no. Buon appetito, and I'm having my macchiato.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, consider hitting the like, subscribing to our channel, because we come here every single Sunday and you never know what you're gonna get. Next week, who knows? Maybe some pizza, pasta. We'll be talking about all things Sicilian. Ciao!